It is one of the largest gatherings of Vietnamese Catholics in the world, and it's right here in the Ozarks. Marian Days starts in just 2 days in Carthage, and KY3's Dustin Hodges shows us why this year's celebration has special significance.
This is Mass, actually. Mass, and this is the big Mass.
Tens of thousands of Vietnamese Catholics like Kevin Yong are gathering in Carthage to celebrate the Virgin Mary at the 38th Marian Days Festival.
It renews our faith, and it helps, it's a different way to express our faith with so many people around us.
In Thanksgiving for everything that we have received during the year, and people come here for that purpose and also for the purpose to reconnect it with families and friends.
To commemorate the 40th anniversary of the end of the Vietnam War, this year's Marian Days theme is 40 years of tribulation and grace.
We can commemorate the 40 years of the exodus from Vietnam, then the 40 years that we've been here, the freedom and also the hardship of when we first came, and how we have become after 40 years, and all the achievement for the children and all the stuff that we have.
Surrounding the large statue of Jesus here are these working water spigots. Now, during the Mass ceremony, this water will be blessed, and then folks will use this holy water for everything from drinking to cleansing their bodies and spirits.
I've seen people wash their hands. I've seen people fill up water bottles, wipe their faces.
Almost as important as the religious ceremony, Marian Days also provides an opportunity to catch up with old friends.
Every year you come up to the same people, so you build relationship. And beside all the spiritual thing, we connect people together.
In Carthage, Dustin Hodges, KY3 News.
Nearly 3